Welcome to the Bombay Flying Club Dhule. Located just 330 kilometers from Mumbai, this space gives student and professional pilots the luxury to fly frequently and leisurely in a safe and secure environment. In charge of this is Captain JP Sharma, the chief flight instructor at Dhule Airport. After retiring from the Air Force in 2004 and spending 8 years at India's biggest flying training institute, IGRUA, Captain Sharma's latest mission is to transform the Bombay Flying Club Dhule.
I have been for about 20 years in Indian Air Force, and that was the best of military aviation. After that, I have been for about 8 years in Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy, we normally call IGRUA. That was once again the best in civil aviation training. I have come to this place to establish a culture which is a mix of both the best of military aviation training and the best of civil aviation training. Fortunately, I have been exposed to both.
The BFC itself has a very prestigious and illustrious history, going all the way back to when the first commercial pilot's license was issued in India.
So if you look at the photograph behind me, the great JRD was the first CPA holder of India. He earned his license from the Bombay Flying Club.
Pride in the institution carries on to its standard of education, where Captain Sharma believes that every student should get personal attention and receive as much hands-on training as possible. This includes solo flights under a variety of conditions.
If you say that you will not permit your child to enter a swimming pool unless he learns swimming, obviously he is never going to learn it. It's my endeavor that the pupils are brought up in a manner that gives me confidence to release them solo in the conditions that may not be the best conditions for flying.
However, these solo flights and sorties cannot take place without the framework of a good education in the theory of flying.
Flying is 60% on ground and only 40% in the air. Unless you prepare properly 60% part on the ground, you would not be able to do that 40% part in the air.
BFC's facilities boast of an impressive array of technologies, from a fully audio-visual enabled classroom to a simulator, amongst other innovations put in place by Captain Sharma.
We have got a runway which is long enough. We have got 2 hangars which can accommodate 10 aeroplanes. I have got an ambulance. I have got manpower that has been trained for firefighting. About a month ago, I have also established a cafeteria. 3 or 4 days ago, I have completed the walk structure in my ATC, and it was only yesterday that I have started radio telephony, the air traffic control from my own ATC. Very few flying clubs, only those who are at big aerodromes, only they would have the money. ATC not only provides additional safety because my number of aeroplanes are going to increase. It's a great advantage because unless the pilots are exposed to radio telephony, they wouldn't be confident to go out on cross-country flights because when you go on a cross-country flight, you need to speak to so many controllers.
Apart from the man-made facilities to help students get a cutting-edge education, there are some inherent advantages of flying at Dhule Airport.
The greatest advantage at a small aerodrome is that since there's no scheduled flight coming here, all the airspace is mine. I can fly any sector, I can do any kind of maneuvers. There is no restriction on me. Number 2, and which is very important, at a large aerodrome, lots of scheduled flights come. Those scheduled flights take priority. Now, because of those aeroplanes departing and arriving, my aeroplanes will have to wait on ground. And remember, once an aircraft moves, the meter starts, whereas the time is being spent on ground. So the learning value for the same period of time is more at a small aerodrome like this. To the young boys and girls, I would like to advise that if you want to come into aviation, please have passion for flying. If you have passion for flying, you will work hard for it. If you work hard for it, you will become good pilots. At this place, I would like to produce only good pilots. And so long as you have passion for flying, rest will be looked after by the instructors, by the teachers, by me.